The Master Gardener Network has allowed me to be in different places that I did not know existed. Talk to different people that I probably would have never met and build relationships, strong relationships with beautiful individuals.
It's interesting how one thing that everybody has in common sort of branches out to another thing that everyone has in common.
One of the things that got me into the Master Gardener program was going back to gardening after working a career and not doing it for a long time.
I came into the program thinking I wanted to give back, and really what I got is I've been given too.
My next door neighbor became a Master Gardener, and his yard was beautiful. And I said, oh my gosh, I want to do that. I want to become a Master Gardener.
We're at the Water Conservation Garden in El Cajon. This is a demonstration garden focused on educating the community about water conservation. Luscious red tomatoes, tender green zucchini. So another favorite of mine is the sensory garden. You've got ones that are slightly fuzzy and have a really pungent smell when you really get in there and get those essential oils on your fingers.
We're here at the Carlsbad Flower Fields. The Master Gardeners have been invited to provide a display and demonstration garden. I love a Butylon. This is Crassula Calico Kitten, Echeveria Lola, Kalanchoe luciae, Euphorbia trucalii Sticks on Fire.
The Farm and Food Lab is located at the Orange County Grape Park in the city of Irvine. This is one of my favorite exhibits in the garden. We call it the Edible Garden. It's our largest raised bed. This is our exhibit on pollination. We can look up by spinning a wheel which animals are the most important pollinator. Do we think a monarch butterfly is good or bad? Well, it depends.
So the garden you see here is actually a place that Master Gardeners come and can learn how to do some hands-on gardening. I'm making my own soil for my garden, and it's so rich and so good for it. We teach about fruit tree pruning and sustainable practices.
Welcome to In the Garden with UC Master Gardeners. It is a phenomenal program. We have about 1.2 million people in our listening audience. I am KATRINA KIRKEBY, your host for today. And what we talk about is best practices in gardens. It's called In the Garden with UC Master Gardeners.
Carthay Environmental Studies School Magnet. It is for students grade K through 5. We have a variety of different science garden projects because we're an environmental studies school. Teachers teach weather, they teach plants, they teach about where our food comes from. And then we have an opportunity to do lab work in the garden itself. So the students will start seeds and then they'll plant them in raised beds. We have one raised bed for each grade level.
Right now we're in Compton, California at Moonwater Farm, and this place is lovely. Beyond Compton, one of these oases of community. Have so much to offer in such a compact location. The owners, Kathleen and Richard, have opened up this space to allow me to facilitate wellness, community wellness events, to be a part of their programming, which is like farm camp.
Right in the heart of Hollywood, we're right next to the Hollywood Freeway, the cross street of Fountain Avenue or St. Andrews. This garden was a vacant lot. There was actually an empty rundown trailer on it. The community came together and decided to do something with it, and they decided to make it a community garden. Grow LA Victory garden classes here. It's a beginning gardening classes for people that maybe know a little bit about gardening but wish to learn more, or people that have absolutely no clue. It really is a gem.
We were taught by University of California professors and experts in every subject from soils, insects, plant disease. We were given information that we could pass on with confidence, knowing that it was science-based and it was coming straight from the University of California.
There's a lot of benefits really to gardening, and I feel that the Master Gardeners are helping to bring that to our local community.
I see the Master Gardeners as being a way to facilitate the community.
It's really a thrill to go and give a talk and open people's minds to things that they didn't realize and ways that they can do things that they didn't know about. It's a real thrill.
If I don't garden, I become depressed. I need to do it.
Supporting gardens like this are so key to sharing the joy and love and knowledge of gardening with the public.
We wanted to serve and we wanted to volunteer, and we had a heart for volunteerism, but in a garden setting.
The earth is the best place to be at one and be who you are and share it with everybody around you, no matter what you look like.